Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Twitter offline. You have to understand that Twitter does not offer a traditional offline mode or cannot be used offline for general browsing and posting as well. However, you can access certain content without an active internet connection by using a workaround such as archiving your data, downloading videos, or using a third-party tool as well. Now, in order to download the data, you could download a zip file containing an archive for your account's information, including your post, images, and bookmark itself as well. To do this, you just need to go to your account settings. So click on the profile initials from the top left and then click on settings and support. Once again, click on settings and then you want to go to your account section. On this section, you want to click on download an archive of your data. You could then go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, and that way you could extract the zip file and then open the HTML file in your browser version to view your information offline itself as well. And likewise, the other thing you could also do is view content from your other account. That is, to save a video from a post or offline viewing, you could use a third-party website or application as well. But however, there is a very limited available. However, there is a very much limitation. As you could see that you'll not be able to create a post, neither you'll be able to repost a post, or nor you'll be able to share the post. So you just need to understand that there is no way, or there is a little limitation that you could use offline. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.